Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by securing your files. Make a full image or copy critical folders to an external drive now so you won't lose data. Next, prepare 2 recovery media choices, a USB recovery stick and an ISO installer, in case one fails. While setting this up, check disk health and note smart warnings. This tells you whether to prioritize cloning. Once done, reboot into advanced startup via Shift plus Restart, or use F8 to access safe mode and recovery tools, so you can proceed safely. Now run the sequence of automated repairs. Start with System Restore to revert system files to a known good point. This often fixes configuration issues without touching your data. If that fails, run Startup Repair, then open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano to repair system files, followed by dism to fix image corruption. If system files remain damaged, perform a repair install, in-place upgrade, using the Windows installer. This reinstalls Windows but preserves your files and most apps. Complete the recovery by validating your user data and application behavior. Open several key files and launch essential apps to confirm integrity. Next, address driver or startup conflicts. Roll back or update problematic drivers in Device Manager and run msconfig to disable non-essential startup items. If the system still won't boot, use your image backup to restore the disk or repair boot records with bcdedit and bootrec commands. One key troubleshooting tip. If repairs fail repeatedly, stop and restore your image to avoid cumulative damage.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.